Hello everyone. Today's topic for the video is top 2 causes of tax avoidance. Taxation as a topic is often subject of hard facts and law. It is very rare that one could look at establishing a philosophy around the matters of tax significance. Today's video has taken inspiration from a book named Loophole Games by Sri Smar Swain and lucidly explains the topic. What is tax avoidance? Tax avoidance is a measure to depriving the rightful taxes to a nation by either shifting the profits to another country or eroding the base itself on which the profits could have been built in future. All of this without adequate commercial substance but fully legally compliant. Tax avoidance is a much bigger devil than tax evasion, as it has full potential and quantum to strip off a substantial and a rightful profit of a country. But why study causes of tax avoidance? It is necessary to study the causes of tax avoidance because one could work on a solution only if the person working on the solution knows the causes of the problem. Further, it is important that such a person itself is not a contributor to the cause of the problem. To explain in plain language, one may like to protest against the use of plastics for a greater cause, but the banners and the protest materials that the protesters use are all made up of plastics. In such a case, the solution could not be arrived through the eyes of the protesters. So, let us study the causes. The author classifies the causes of tax avoidances into two buckets. First, financialization, and second, jargonification. Let us understand both of them one by one. First, financialization. Financialization is the process by which the financial intermediaries like the fund managers, private equity players, venture capitalists, merchant banks, hedge funds, investment banks, etc. undertake decision making for the company. These could be also me and you when we are looking from the eyes of an investor. Such investors are the ones who are interested in multiplying the investment, and one of the ways of such multiplication is through saving the tax cost to the respective government in which the business functions. The corporates are under pressure to maximize the value in the company under the slogan of being tax efficient. We have seen many Indian startups going for an inverse structure, with the investment being secured at the tax haven level with favorable tax treaties by migrating IPs to such tax havens. All this happens as a condition to a PE investment. Either the business goes for a set structure or never gets funded. What follows later are only built up or after effects of the financialization, where the business follows several loops and methods to always stay tax efficient. Is jargonification. Jargonification boils down to the advisory firms backed by tax academics, devise tax avoidance schemes, and reports based on the interpretation rules and treaty interplay. They project that the law is ambiguous and unclear, and hence a different interpretation could be pulled together to take a non-harmonized meaning of the law. There are jargons interposed between the businesses and taxes with complex web of tax scheme, which is advised upon and also implemented by the advisory firm. When questioned by the tax authorities, such businesses take shelter under such legal interpretations and schemes to prove their side of the story, which might reach the court and also could be proven right. There are many stories in India and across the world that have been used such methods and also proven success to the corporate but to detriment of the country. Finally, as a CXO or a business owner, one should understand that paying the right level of taxes in every country is their duty to contribute to the larger and global development. It is the responsibility of the private economy to sustain in its ecosystem and also their ecosystem. Hope you enjoyed the learning. For further clarification, you can contact us at info@transprice.in. If you like the video, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the TransPrice channel and comment down below on what topics would you like to see us making videos. Finally, share the video with your family and friends who would find it useful. See you in the next video. Until then, zooming out.